Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to the grade 3 maths class. Are you getting my voice? Raise your hand if you are getting my voice. Yes, everybody raise your hand. Nabia, you are getting my voice? Anaya, Hafsa, Alia, Faris, Umme Parva, raise your hand if you are getting my voice. Very good, very nice. And what about Fiza? Slow आ रही है? अच्छा, आप देखें अब सही आ रही है? अब सही आ रही है बेटा? Raise your hand if you are getting my voice. Anaya, Ania बेटा, are you getting my voice?
ना भी आगे देख ली। मिस अब सही आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
ओके, अब आ रही है आवाज बेटा?
गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर।
Good morning बेटा. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Yes, I am also fine and hope you are enjoying your stay at home. But remember that keep practicing your topics, your subjects at home. Okay? Don't sit idle. Okay, now I am going to start today's lecture. So everybody raise your hand if you see my slide, okay? Wait. Okay, now today is 9th April 2021, Friday. So I am going to start my lecture. Today's our topic is topic is point, line segment, ray in our chapter geometry. Okay, our chapter name is geometry and our topic name is point, line segment and ray. We have studied in our physical class these topics, but one group which has not attended the class, they have not studied this topic. So that's why I'm again reviewing this topic. Okay. So those who know these topics, I will ask the question from them and they will tell me the answers. Okay, because we have studied in our physical class. Three groups have studied this topic, but only one group is remaining. So I am again reviewing these topics again, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. So first of all, we will see that what is point. Okay, what is point? Anybody who want to tell me, you can tell me the answer in chat box, beta. Or if you know the answer, what is point, you can tell me in the chat box. Because I have explained you in the class, so you can tell me that what is point. Yes, beta. Umme Parva, beta, tell me what is point. Yes, Umme Parva, are you telling me? Okay, fine. What is point? Point in geometry refers to a location. Okay. ज्योमेट्री में पॉइंट को जो है वो लोकेशन को शो करता है. It is a basic term in geometry. It is a basic element in geometry. Like in science, the basic element of living thing is cell, and the basic element of non-living thing is atom. In the same way, point in geometry is a basic element. Okay? जिस तरीके से साइंस में लिविंग थिंग में बेसिक एलिमेंट सेल होता है या नॉन लिविंग थिंग में बेसिक एलिमेंट एटम होता है, जिससे मजीद आगे फर्दर वो जो है एक्सटेंड होती है, एटम से आगे नई चीज बनती है. इसी तरीके से ज्योमेट्री में जो बेसिक टर्म है वो है पॉइंट. ठीक है बेटा. अब पॉइंट इन ज्योमेट्री रेफर्स टू अ लोकेशन. ये लोकेशन को शो करता है. एंड हाउ इट शोज? इट इज शोन एज अ डॉट. ये किस तरीके से शो होता है? ये एक एज अ डॉट शो होता है, बट इन math language we don't say it dot, we say it point. We say it point. Now the point has no length, no width and no depth. इसका मतलब ये है कि पॉइंट की कोई लेंथ नहीं होती, इसकी कोई विड्थ नहीं होती और कोई इसकी डेप्थ नहीं होती. जस्ट इट इज अ डॉट. जब एक डॉट होगा तो उसकी कोई लेंथ भी नहीं होगी और ना कोई डेप्थ होगी और ना विड्थ, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट ओनली अ डॉट. अच्छा जी, अब हम इसको रेफर कैसे करते हैं, हम इसको शो कैसे करते हैं? डॉट की फॉर्म में तो शो कर देते हैं, लेकिन हम उसको कहते क्या है? सो यस, वेरी नाइस बेटा. हफ्सर मगान, यू हैव टेल मी द करेक्ट आंसर. अ पॉइंट इन ज्योमेट्री रिफर्स टू अ लोकेशन. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. नाउ so how we denote it, denote the point in geometry? We denote the point by a capital letter. Remember, by a capital letter, not by small letter. ज्योमेट्री में हम जो है मोस्टली जो लाइंस होती हैं, पॉइंट्स होते हैं और आगे फर्दर जो हम पढ़ेंगे उन सब में हम जो है कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज करते हैं. रिमेंबर, ओके. इन ज्योमेट्री वी यूज कैपिटल लेटर्स फॉर डिनोटिंग any point, any line segment. Okay. So what we have studied about the point, that a point in geometry refers to a location. It is shown as a dot. It has no length, no width and no depth. A point is always denoted by a capital letter. For example, see this, there is a plane, and in this plane you can see that how many points are there. Can you tell me how many points are there? See how many points are there. Who will tell me how many points are there in this plane? Tell me the answer in chat box, beta. How many points are there in this plane? Very nice, very nice, very good. Umme Parva, Muhammad Hashir, Isar, very nice. Now, can you tell me the name of these points? Now tell me the name of these points, beta. Yes, there are 4 points, but what are these their name? Tell me the name. Yes, who will tell me the name, beta? A, B, C, D. Acha, Umme Parva, beta, it is not, these points are not shown by a small letter. We will show these points by a capital letter. Remember, okay? आपने सही बताया, लेकिन आपने small letters में बताया ना, इसको हमने बताना है capital letter में. Yes, very nice, very nice, very good. So, yes, very nice, Umme Parva, very good. So, पॉइंट ज्योमेट्री में हम फिर मैं बता रही हूँ आपको अगेन. अ पॉइंट इन ज्योमेट्री रिफर्स टू अ लोकेशन. किसी लोकेशन को अगर हमें शो करना होता है तो हम उसको किससे शो करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ पॉइंट. लाइन सेगमेंट से नहीं, किसी रे से नहीं, किसी एंगल से नहीं, बल्कि हम उस लोकेशन को किससे शो करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ पॉइंट, विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डॉट. बट उस डॉट को हम ज्योमेट्री में बोलते हैं पॉइंट. रिमेंबर, ओके, कि हम उसको डॉट नहीं बोलेंगे बल्कि हम उसको बोलेंगे पॉइंट. It has no length, no width and no depth. जिस तरह लाइन सेगमेंट की एक लेंथ होती है, पॉइंट की कोई लेंथ, कोई विड्थ, कोई डेप्थ नहीं होती. ओके. एंड इट इज ऑलवेज डिनोटेड बाय अ कैपिटल लेटर. Now come to the another topic, line. Line. What is line? A line is a set of points joining a straight path on both sides. इसका मतलब ये है कि when we take so many points in a plane, जब हम बहुत सारे points लेते हैं एक plane के अंदर, तो वो मिलकर सारे points एक line बनाते हैं. तब okay fine बेटा, who wants to ask? Yes. Farwa, Fiza, beta, you have any query? Let me complete my lecture, then I will ask what you want to ask, okay? So just listen what I am explaining you. So line is a set of points joining a straight path on both sides. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स जब आपस में मिलते हैं तो वो एक स्ट्रेट पाथ बनाते हैं और वो दोनों तरफ जो है वो एक्सटेंड होते हैं. It has no end point. लाइन की कोई एंड पॉइंट होता. We can extend the line in both direction. We can extend the line in both direction. Okay. A line can go on and on forever on both sides. A line can go on and on forever on both sides. क्योंकि इसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं होता, इसलिए हम इस लाइन को हम एक्सटेंड दोनों साइड्स पे कर सकते हैं. जितना चाहे हम उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट हैज नो एंड पॉइंट. रिमेंबर द मेन पॉइंट, अ लाइन हैज नो एंड पॉइंट. ओके, इट कैन बी एक्सटेंड इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. And how the line is made? It is made by a set of point. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स आपस में जब मिलते हैं तो वो लाइन बनाते हैं. ओके, और पॉइंट्स अनलिमिटेड होते हैं तो इसलिए जो लाइन होती है ये जो है एक्सटेंड होती है इन बोथ डायरेक्शन इनफाइनाइटली. ओके, गेट इट? See, now there is a line here. It is shown by an arrow. Why we are showing this line by an arrow? Because the arrow show that it can be extend in both direction. जहाँ हम arrow show करते हैं इसका मतलब है कि ये मजीद यहाँ से फर्दर एक्सटेंड हो सकती है. कोई भी ऐसी लाइन जिसके साथ एरो बने हुए हो ये शो करता है कि वो लाइन जो है एक्सटेंड हो सकती है इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. ओके, द लाइन कैन बी एक्सटेंड इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. Got it, beta? Isar, yes, Isar, what happened? What you want to ask, beta? You want to ask something, beta? Ask me in the chat box. Okay. Now, come to line segment. Line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment is a line which joins two points together. A line segment is a line which joins two points together. It has a beginning and end. It has a beginning and end. It has two end points. Remember this point, it has two end points. See, what is the difference between line segment and line? Line has no end point, but in this line segment, we are studying that line segment has two end points. So here you can see in this picture that line segment has two end points, A and B. A and B. C. This is the one end point and B, this is the another end point. See, in this line segment, there are two end points. Okay. And remember this point, a line segment has two end points. The line goes infinitely, but in line segment, it has a beginning and an end. It has a beginning and end because it has two end points. And in line segment, we don't show it with arrows. Okay, In line we have shown it by with the help of arrows, but in line segment we don't show this line with the arrows. Okay, we just show with the help of points. Okay, there are two endpoints and we will show it with just with the 2 points. Okay, got it? Now come to ray. Come to ray. Ray. What is a ray? A ray is a similar to a line segment, but with one end point. One end point that extend infinitely in one direction. In one direction. So see the ray is just like a line segment, but in line segment we have two endpoints, but in ray we have only one endpoint. Okay, and this end from one endpoint we cannot extend the line, but the point where there is no endpoint we can extend in this direction. For example, in this ray there is one endpoint A. There is one endpoint A. See, this is one endpoint A. And here we cannot extend this line. But from endpoint B, we can extend this line infinitely. In this direction, we can extend, and that's why we show this point B with the arrow. Okay, यहाँ हमने arrow से इसलिए show किया है कि यहाँ से हम line को extend कर सकते हैं. But we cannot extend the line from point A because it has one endpoint. It has an endpoint. The line, the ray AB has an endpoint which is point A. Okay, got it, beta? इस रे में कौन सा एंड पॉइंट है? Who will tell me the answer? In this ray, which is the end point? Point A or point B? Who will tell me? Yes, yes, Mohammad Hashir, it is point A. Anaya, no, Anaya, it is not B. See that we are showing the point B with the help of arrow. हम arrow से show कर रहे हैं और arrow का मतलब होता है कि इस direction में हम ray को extend कर सकते हैं. But we cannot extend this ray from point A. Okay? क्योंकि point A जो है वो end point है, so we cannot extend this line from point A, but we can extend this line from point B because point B is not an end point. In this ray, only point A is one end point. Yes, very nice, Afsar Magan, Hamna, very good. Nabiha Asaf, yes, you tell me the correct answer. Now, come to now we will see that how we draw a line. How we draw a line segment. We have studied that what is point, what is line segment, what is line, and what is ray. Now we will learn how to draw a line segment. Right now, just listen carefully how we are drawing a line segment. There's no need to take out your copy and do anything in your copy. Just listen carefully that how we draw a line segment. Okay, beta, got it? When I say that start your work, then you will start your work. Right now, just focus on your screens. Okay, don't ask me again and again that we have to do in copy 1 or copy 2. Just look at your screen and focus what I am telling you. Okay. Now, how to draw a line segment of 4 centimeter long? Remember, line segment, here we are discussing about line segment. A line segment which has two endpoints. Okay, हम वो line बना रहे हैं जिसके end points होते हैं, 2 end points होते हैं. We are not drawing a line. We are drawing a line segment which has 2 end points. So, draw a line segment of 4 centimeter long. So the first step for drawing a line segment of 4 centimeter long is first place a ruler on a sheet of paper. What you will do, you will open your, you will just place a ruler on a sheet of paper. Then With a pencil, mark the first point as A at the beginning of the marking on this ruler. The beginning of the marking on this ruler is 0 centimeter. The beginning of the marking on this ruler is 0 centimeter. We will place a ruler from a centimeter side, not from inside. Remember, okay? Because there we have we will draw a line segment of 4 centimeter long. So we will place the ruler on sheet of paper from the centimeter side, not from the inside. So what you will do? You will place the ruler on a sheet of paper from the centimeter side. Then with a pencil, see, we have marked the point here on the beginning of the ruler. See, we have marked this point. Now the third step is mark the second point as B above the 4 centimeter mark on the ruler. Now because we have to draw a line segment of 4 centimeter long, so we will count from 0 till 4. 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now we will point the mark B here at 4 centimeter. Okay बेटा, अब हम यहाँ से हमने पहले 0 पे हमने एक पॉइंट लगाया, उसके बाद क्योंकि हमें 4 सेंटीमीटर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी थी तो हमने 4 सेंटीमीटर पे दूसरा पॉइंट हमने मार्क किया. Okay, got it? Now the fourth step is draw a line along the edge of the ruler to the point B just where 4 is written. Draw a line along the edge of the ruler to the point B just where 4 is written. जहां पर 0 सेंटीमीटर था वहां से आप एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे जो कहां जाएगी 4 सेंटीमीटर तक. विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर रूलर यू विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन from 0 centimeter to 4 centimeter. See, we have drawn a line. Now, we have named it 4 centimeter and this is point A and this is point B. This is point A and this is point this is point A and this is point B. Because a line segment has 2 endpoints, that's why we make 2 points, point A and point B. And it is a line segment of 4 centimeter long. You will show it with the unit 4 centimeter. जब भी आप लाइन बनाएंगे आप उसके ऊपर जरूर लिखेंगे कि आपने कितनी सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ की है. ओके, एंड यू विल शो द लाइन सेगमेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ 2 एंड पॉइंट्स. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ एक लाइन बना दी, उसमें आपने बाकायदा पॉइंट्स को शो भी करना. यू विल शो इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पॉइंट्स एंड यू विल नेम इट. You can name it any L, M, M, N, X, Y, any but capital letters. Okay, you will use capital letter. Got it beta? Now yes class, have you got how to draw a line segment? Tell me in the answer in the chat box that you have got how to draw a line segment. Tell me by yes or no. If you have any problem, I can tell you again. Tell me that how you got how to draw a line segment so we can start our copy work. Hamna, Muhammad Hashir, No. Yes, Manahil. What? Tell me again, beta. What do you want to ask? Which point you have not got it? Tell me, Manahil. Tell me in the chat box which point you have not got it. Summe Farwa, what do you want to ask? Yes, Fiza. Farwa, what happened? ओके बेटा, अब हम ना ये कॉपी वर्क स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और वहां मैं आपको दोबारा इसको फिर एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, ठीक है? अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वहां हम दोबारा इस चीज को पढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं किस तरीके से ड्रॉ करना। आई विल टेल यू अगेन, ओके? सो टेक आउट, एवरीबडी टेक आउट योर कॉपी एंड राइट इंडेक्स फर्स्ट, राइट इंडेक्स फर्स्ट। So take out your copy and in your index page, write the index. Now listen carefully. 3 groups have done this exercise, this question in your copy. Okay, 3 ग्रुप्स के जो बच्चे हैं उन्होंने ये वाली एक्सरसाइज जो है कॉपी में कर ली है। सिर्फ एक ग्रुप था जिसने ये टॉपिक पढ़ा भी नहीं था और किया भी नहीं था। तो those who have done this exercise question, they will do it again. Okay, those who have done this exercise in your copy, they will do it again. Okay. तो तमाम बच्चे चाहे उन्होंने कॉपी में काम किया है या नहीं किया, दोबारा आप इसको करेंगे। इट इज बेटर फॉर प्रैक्टिस। ओके, सो यू विल डू इट अगेन। अलीजा, कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन? ओके, वेट। कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन? हियर इट्स रिटन इंडेक्स। बेटा मैं आपको नजर नहीं आ रही होंगी, लेकिन स्क्रीन पे जो कॉपी वर्क आपको शो हो रहा है वो दिख रहा है बेटा अलीजे? So have you done the index, beta? So I could start the work. Now open your copy page. Write the book page number, CW and day. Write the book page number, CW and day. Remember, always write the book page number. जब तक आप बुक पेज नंबर नहीं लिखेंगे नहीं पता चलेगा कौन सा क्वेश्चन किस पेज का है। ओके, now this is question number 5 of page number 193. Draw line segment of given length. Draw line segment of given length. So right now I am doing CFG 8 centimeter. FG 8 centimeter. You will do all the parts, but right now I am doing here part C, FG 8 centimeter. Okay, beta? Have you done this work? So I could start the drawing a line segment. Okay, beta, index दिखाता हूँ आपको। Yes. परवा, जोहा, अनाया, बेटा देख लीजिए इंडेक्स। अलीजे देखिए बेटा इंडेक्स को। Page number 193, question number 5, part A till D. We will do all the parts, okay? Yes, Fiza, what do you want to ask? Now what you will do, first of all, you will place a ruler on your sheet of paper, okay? You will place a ruler on your sheet of paper in a straight direction. बिल्कुल straight आपने इसको रखना है ना, in a horizontal direction. स्केल को vertical direction में नहीं रखना, बल्कि इसको आपने horizontal direction में इसको स्केल आपको रूलर को रखना है, ठीक है? Now place the ruler in the horizontal direction on a sheet of paper. Now, first of all, at 0 centimeter, mark a point. First of all, at 0 centimeter, mark a point. And name it F. Name it F. Okay? And name it F. Place a ruler on a sheet of paper in a horizontal direction. Then mark a point F at 0 centimeter, and from 0, now you will count till 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now at point 8 centimeter, you will mark the another point named G. You will mark the another point G. No, beta. It is don't draw a scale. Just keep your scale on your paper. ये स्केल तो बेटा मैंने आपको यहाँ शो किया, आप अपने स्केल की हेल्प से इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे. Just we will draw a line segment. Okay? You will not draw a scale. You will not draw a scale. We are just supposed to draw a line segment. Okay? ये आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए स्केल शो कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ पर आपने स्केल को रखना है, किस पॉइंट पे रखना हो, कहाँ पर आपने पॉइंट जो है सेकंड वन वो आपने मार्क करना. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल प्लेस अ रूलर ऑन योर शीट ऑफ पेपर, mark point F at 0 centimeter, then count from 0 till 8 and mark the another point G at 8 centimeter, and you name it with the capital letter. Remember, name it with the capital letter. Don't write small letters. Now what you will do, you will draw a line segment. Now you will draw, after marking the points, you will draw a line segment. सबसे पहले आपने points को mark करना है और उसके बाद आप line draw करेंगे. Remember, join point F to G. Join point F to point G. Very good, Umme Farwa, very nice. Now you will write the length of this line segment, that how long it is. इसके आप इसको जरूर लिखिएगा कि यहाँ ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट आपने ड्रॉ की है ये कितनी सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. So you will write 8 centimeter above the line. You will write 8 centimeter above the line. Got it? Everybody got it? Tell me in the chat box, beta. Very nice, Mohammed Hashir. Umme Farwa, very good. Yes, Usman Shahid, very nice. अच्छा, अब आपने इसके बाद स्केल आपने रिमूव कर देना है, ठीक है? जब आप ये लाइन बना लेंगे तो यू विल रिमूव द स्केल. ओके, those who have done, they can start the another point. Okay, AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Those who have done, they can start the new bit. AB is equal to 7 centimeter. In the same way which I told you, that first of all place your ruler on your sheet of paper, then first at 0 centimeter mark a point A, and then you will count from 0 till 7 and mark the point B at 7 centimeter. After marking the points A and B, You will draw a line segment. You will draw a line segment from A to B. You will draw a line segment of 7 centimeter from A to B. After drawing a line segment, you will write the length of this line segment 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Show me your work, okay? Everybody show me your work. Now show me your work on your screen. So I could see that you have drawn correctly or not. Everybody show me. Aryan, beta show me your work. Zoha, Anaya, Mason, everybody show me your work, how you have drawn the line segment. Show me your work, beta. Very nice, very good, very nice. Excellent. Super, very good. Okay, very good. So everybody, अनाया बेटा अपना आप कैमरा ऑन करें. अनाया, फारिस, जैन, जोहा. Fiza, you have not shown me your work, beta. Show me your work. Isar, show me your work, beta. Very good. For drawing a line segment, we can use any color pencil also, okay? If you want to use any color pencil, you can use it for drawing a line segment. Very good, very nice. Everybody have done it correctly. Very good. Okay, now I am asking some question. You will tell me the answer in chat box. Okay, I will call the name. Okay, I will call the name and they will tell me. Okay, when I will ask the question from you, from any of the student, I will unmute and you will. I will ask to unmute you and then you will unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Okay. So, Fatma, unmute yourself. Fatma, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Now tell me how we show the point. हम point को कैसे show करते हैं?
We draw the line.
No, point, बेटा, point. जो point होता है उसको किस तरह show करते हैं? कैसे दिखाते हैं? A point is shown as a
Dot.
yes, excellent. A point is shown as a dot. Very nice. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now I am asking from Muhammad Usman. Okay, Usman? Yes. Now, Usman, you tell me that how we show the dot, how we denote the dot with the capital letter or small letter?
This capital letter.
Capital
Capital letter.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, now, Fiza, I am going to ask from you. Are you ready? Yes. अच्छा फिजा, मुझे आप ये बताइए, a line segment has how many end points? लाइन सेगमेंट के कितने एंड पॉइंट्स होते हैं? अभी हमने लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ किए ना. हाउ मेनी एंड पॉइंट्स? यस, लाउडली बेटा. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर आंसर.
2, teacher.
Yes, excellent. A line segment has 2 end points. A line segment has 2 end points. Okay. Now Muhammad Aryan. Mohammad Aryan, beta sit properly so I could see you clearly. Sit properly first of all. Mohammad Aryan, beta sit properly. Okay, now tell me how many endpoint array has? How many endpoint array has? रे के कितने endpoints होते हैं? One. Excellent. अच्छा, जब इसका एक endpoint होता है तो दूसरी डायरेक्शन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं रे के? Can we extend it or not? Can we extend the ray where there is no endpoint? जहाँ पर रे के endpoint हो तो उधर से हम extend कर सकते हैं रे को?
Yes.
मोहम्मद उस्मान, okay fine. Hamna, yes Hamna. Yes beta, but tell me the answer Hamna. Hamna, yes tell me the answer beta.
या दो नहीं कमान
Yes Hamna. Can we extend
Miss,
the
I
ray?
can't heard you. What is the
I am asking that can we extend the ray in one direction?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, because it has one endpoint from where we cannot extend the line. But the ray which has no endpoint, we can extend the line from here. Okay, got it? Now, what is line? A line has a okay, now Alia Junaid, beta, you will tell me a line has endpoint or not? Line के endpoints होते हैं या नहीं होते?
होते हैं
Line के endpoints no beta, a line has no endpoints. Line segment has two endpoints, but a line has no endpoints. Okay, again check the lecture so you could see that what is the difference between line segment, ray and line. Okay, got it? I will ask it again in the next lecture. So right now I am going to stop the meeting, and after 1 hour we will again join the meeting. Okay, in the second class. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Everybody say Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, and complete your work beta. Okay.
Allah Hafiz.